Hello, in this video we are going to demonstrate a connection of UART from the TI LaunchPad to the PC. Actually, it will be a double connection where we have the first connection via our USB connected to the PC, and via this connection we will show the data on the serial screen on the PC, and the second connection will be via the USB UART adapter, where the wires connected to the board, and the UART is transferred via additional USB connection to the PC. This is a pinout of the board, and we are using those pins. More specifically, the actual connection is to the 22 and 23 pin of the TI board. I tried pins 18 and 19, and they're not connected, so I switched to those pins. Regarding the code is saved inside the SIMS IoT devices repositories TI, and here we're talking regarding the video number 3 with those two files. The first one, the UART and serial, is the file in the TI project which sends those two UART connections, and the other file, received character py, is a Python file which is running on my PC to receive the character. So inside our board, this is our project. We are talking about inside this directory, the main, the lab.main, which is the same file basically. Here, this is a file which you have in the GitHub. We don't need this. Okay, now let's build the file. It's finished, and run the file. Now it's sending two UART messages, one to the serial connections and another one to the serial connection to the Python. And what does I mean by that? First one, let's receive the serial connection on COM3. Here you have a connection on my computer where COM3 is the UART connected via USB to the board. Open. And you see that the X is printed in our PATI serial monitor. The other connection is inside the Python file. This is the Python file that I talk about. He is connected on COM5. And now I am running this file, listening on COM5, and he's receiving the same X character. So to summarize it, we have a file which basically initialize first connection to send data to the USB to the serial screen on the PC via pins 28 and 29. Those pins are not actually connected. They are connected internally via USB connector connected to the board. And another initiation is initiation of UART with pins 23 and 22, which are actually wired connected pins, which are connected to the PC via UART USB connector TI-TMS320 and they are initiated in this function. The main function is an infinite loop. We're sending an X to the screen and to the Python file, to the COM3 and COM5. And then wait for the 1 second. So in this video, we demonstrated the basic UART connection working in parallel, sending a character from the TI board to the PC in 2 different ways in parallel. Thank you.